F. Bad habits. There are several bad habits we Koreans have when producing F. We should avoid bad form and use good form. With bad form, it is difficult to have accurate pronunciation. They also force us to speak slowly, make short utterances, and have poor linking. So here are some of the common bad habits we should do away from. Insertion, curling, biting, flicking, and rounding. First, insertion, which we've mentioned in lesson 3. Here, insertion refers to the act of saying instead of sustaining your breath. It looks like this. Notice he starts up perfectly fine, but then releases his lower lip too early to say With insertion, the example words sound like this. Beef, enough, safe, life. The right way to say them are beef, enough, safe, life. Insertion is a habit that is deeply rooted in the nature of our language, so it's only natural for us to carry it over to English, but we should practice hard not to insert in English. The next 3 habits are related in a sense because if you do one of these, you're likely to do others as well. Let's start with number 2, curling the lower lip. As you can see in the picture, curling refers to pulling your lower lip between the teeth so that the outside of the lower lip is touching the upper teeth. You don't want to do this. It should be the inside of the lip that is touching the bottom of your upper teeth. This in turn leads many people to bad habit number 3, which is biting. From our infancy, we've had the tendency to bite anything in our mouth. So when we have the lower lip in our mouth, we naturally think we should bite it. When you apply pressure on the lip, however, air, which is the source of the F sound, cannot get out well. The consequences are slow speech, short utterance, and poor linking. It looks like this. Notice how air does not escape as smoothly as with the correct form. Now, since it's hard to blow with this form, some of us resort to bouncing out or flicking the lower lip. And this leads us to bad habit number 4, flicking the lower lip. Flicking refers to bursting air out quickly by uncurling your lower lip. Looks like this. It feels similar to spitting or coughing. Listen to some examples spoken with the bad forms 2, 3, and 4, and then with the good form. Fight, phone, enough, safe, fight, phone, enough, safe. Finally, the last bad form is rounding the lips instead of relaxing them. It adds tension to the lips, and it's likely to lead to flicking. So avoid the 5 bad habits: insertion, curling, biting, flicking, and rounding. And let's review the good form. Neutral lips, upper teeth just touching the lower lip, and blow.